Topic of today's lecture is conformational analysis of cyclohexane. After studying the lecture, you will be able to describe conformation of cyclohexane, bonding and relative stability of conformers of cyclohexane, to describe potential energy diagram of cyclohexane and the factors affecting relative stability of conformations of cyclohexane. Prerequisite for this lecture is at least higher secondary level chemistry. As we know, in organic compounds, carbon-carbon single bonds can rotate freely, whereas double bonds cannot rotate. Rotation about carbon-carbon single bonds gives rise to various different shapes of the molecule without changing the localized arrangements, that is, without breaking of the atoms. If two different arrangements of atoms in a molecule in space are interconvertible merely by free rotation about single bonds are called conformations or conformers. The term rotational isomers, rotamers and constellations have also been used in the same sense. And the study of existence of preferred conformation in the molecule and the relating of physical and chemical properties of a molecule to its preferred conformation is known as conformational analysis. Certain physical properties show that rotation is not quite free. There is some energy barrier. The existence of potential energy barriers between the various conformation shows that there are internal forces acting on the molecule. When the stability of molecule is decreased by internal forces produced by interaction between constituent parts, that molecule is said to be under strain. Here in this table, heat of combustion and relative stabilities of cycloalkanes is shown. And from this table we can easily see that cyclopropane has ring strain of 115 kJ per mole, whereas cyclohexane has zero ring strain. Heat of combustion per CH2 molecule, CH2 group is almost in between 697 to 659 kilojoule per mole. From this table, it is clear that cyclohexane has zero ring strain and it must be most stable cycloalkane. Sachs suggested in 1890 that cyclohexane is not coplanar, it exists in folded form. And four conformations of cyclohexanes are known: chair conformation, boat conformation, twisted boat or screw boat conformation, half chair conformation. The energy difference between the various conformations determine the stability of the conformation, and the ease of transformation depends on the potential energy barrier that exists between these conformations. Many methods are used to investigate the conformation of molecules, namely thermodynamic calculations, dipole moments, X-ray and electron diffraction, NMR or infrared, microwave and ultraviolet spectroscopy, chemical methods, etc. On the basis of Sachs suggested, on the basis of tetrahedral theory, about these four forms. Let's see one by one. The chair form is the rigid form. It is free from angular and torsional form. Uh, all the 6 carbons are sp3 hybridized. 12 hydrogen atoms are present in 2 sets. One set of 6 hydrogen atoms which lie axial to the ring, and another set of 6 hydrogen atoms which lie equatorial to the ring. Energy is minimum. Total van der Waals radii is 2.5 angstrom. It is well clear. It is clear, very clear from Enderon formula and Newman projection formula also, that all the 12 hydrogens are staggered in position. Whereas the boat form is flexible and it can readily be distorted into many shapes. It is free from angular strain, but it contains some torsional strain. Six carbons are sp3 hybridized, whereas 12 hydrogen atoms are present in four sets of flagpole, bowsprit, quasi-axial, and quasi-equatorial bonds. Energy is more than chair form, so less stable by 30 kJ. Flagpole hydrogen atoms cause van der Waals strain. By coordinated rotations about its single bond, the molecule can flip into the mirror image chair conformation, passing through two other notable conformations, that is skew boat or twisted boat conformation and the boat conformation and the half chair conformation. Skew or twisted boat conformation is more stable than the boat form due to absence of flagpole interaction, and it is less stable than chair form by 23 kJ per mole. Whereas the half chair conformation possesses maximum energy. When C1 and C4 of chair conformation are brought in the average plane of the ring, it results into half chair conformation. The energy difference between flexible and chair forms of cyclohexane has been calculated by various measurements with heats of combustion, etc. And it is found that isolation of any conformation of cyclohexane is not possible due to small energy barrier. There exists dynamic equilibrium among all conformation of cyclohexane. And from the study, from the potential energy diagram, it is found that the most stable form is the chair form. Half chair form has maximum energy and lies on the maxima, whereas the twisted boat form is stabilized by 23 kJ per mole, and boat form lies on another maxima. One chair form can be converted into another chair form, which is mirror image of previous one. The chair form transforms to its mirror image, and its transformation, or we can say chair-chair interconversion, is known as ring flipping. During this process, all equatorial bond becomes axial and all axial forms become equatorial. It is a rapid process, involves activation energy of 45 kJ per mole, as it is seen here in this Newman projection form, in this Enderon formula and its mirror image chair form for Enderon formula. So we can say that cyclohexane is not coplanar molecule, rather it is a puckered ring structure. Most stable conformation is the chair conformation. Conformational analysis reveals that flipping of chair form occurs. Flipping occurs through angular transformation, resulting into various conformations like half chair, skew boat and boat. Thank you.